Well, I've been conducting team building sessions for Thomson Reuters for 12 whole days now. Personality grooming lessons with me. Choreography lessons, by the way. Fashion choreography lessons with me. And now we have finally arrived to the 1st of March 2019, which is Hyderabad Day Out for the employees of Thomson Reuters here at N Convention in Hyderabad. So let's go inside and check out what these employees are up to. And by the way, the fashion choreography is done by me, so do not forget to check that out. So, just face the camera and talk about me. Talk all the good things that you can talk about me.
Anu, she has a lot of patience. Of course, angry girl also. Whenever she gets angry, she'll shout like anything. Please be on time, girls. What happened? Where are you? And everything.
What is
but
this?
She's a very lovely girl. I love her. Love her attitude, love her patience and everything. Of course, her diet too.
And she has not been paid to say all this.
No, yeah, not at all.
This is not a paid promotion.
Right.
Thank you so much for doing awesome jokes about
Thank
I really
you.
love you.
Thank you.
so much. Yes.
Thank you. So, what I'd like to say about you is that you're a perfectionist, and what you've taught us about posture, I think I'm going to remember that forever, not just for a ramp, but generally in life. So,
That's what we want.
yeah.
Yes.
So, lessons learned for life. Thank you for that.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for being so sweet. Oh, yes. I love her dress as well. I love her jumpsuit completely.
Thank you.
Any thoughts about
Yes,
me?
so one thing I want to say about Anu is that she is very patient, first of all. And secondly,
I don't think
she
so.
No. And even though it was just an office event, she made it look like it was a professional event. And she gave her 100% to the job, and that's why we did so well. So thank you so much for being, giving us this platform to showcase ourselves.
See, it's
It was
Madonna.
fun.
It's Vogue. It's a fashion show. It has to be top class. It has to be there, over there.
Yes.
So you better be a professional on the rap. And all of you look like thorough professionals today.
Thank you.
Seasoned professionals. So clap for yourselves.
Thanks to Anu for that.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So it was nice working with Anu.
Oh, thank you. This is also not a paid promotion.
No.
Not a paid
Not at all.
promotion. No sponsors. Yes, the shy one, the one who does not speak much, but I forced her to stay back. Yes.
Yeah, Anu is very professional.
Be a little loud.
Anu is very professional, and she did a lot of polishing, and if I did great in the ramp walk, it's all because of Anu. The whole credit goes to Anu.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much,
Thank you.
Anu.
Thank you for being so patient with me. Thank you for being so patient with a hard taskmaster like me. So she also kept her patience up and she didn't break down. So thank you so much for that. Thank you for sticking around. Yes. How do I stay so energetic? Definitely not by eating much, but just by feeling good about myself all day. That's it. Just feel good about yourself. Remember what I told you on WhatsApp? And I keep telling everybody, just feel good about yourself. And there you are. There comes your energy from. That's it. That's your energy source.
Thank you so much, Anu.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, can you be a little louder for the mic?
You are awesome. Choreographer, I've seen like each and every individual. She is guiding so much that I like her so much. I like her heart. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so sweet with me. Thank you for your kind words. Yes, Mr. Praful.
Yeah, madam, apart from all the things I have seen many choreographers, but this madam is very energetic and is very dedicated and she's always energetic. I want to ask personally, madam, what you eat to be so energetic?
One of your colleagues just asked me what's the source of your energy.
Yeah, what's the source?
So I told her, definitely not food. So there's nothing particular which I eat, but I just feel good about myself. I just feel happy all day. So that's where my energy comes from. The idea is to just be happy no matter what.
And what is your diet, madam? And few foods which you like?
I eat less, and that is why I'm energetic also. You know, when you eat less, you have more energy. When you eat more, you feel more sluggish. So that's another thing, I eat less.
Yeah, thank you so much. I mean, all the dedication and being on time. So it is really required for us to be on time and be on. So thank you for
So
coping
he
up.
was the one who cooperated the most, tried to badger all the people and get them on time for the rehearsal. So he really helped me out with that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for that amazing performance. You were great. Anything you want to say about me?
Nice choreographer.
Oh, he's scared of me. He's scared of me. Okay, but that's fine. That's fine. That speaks volumes about me. Okay. Yeah.
Just wanted to say 4 things were very important for her: time, attitude, footwork, and heels.
Yes. And all the 4 things which she just mentioned, she nailed them. She was on time, bang on time. She got her posture, she got her footwork, and she did get her attitude right. So,
Thank you so much.
claps for you for that. Yeah? Thank you so much. She's gone back to the 80s and 90s. She's taken the theme very seriously. Yeah. Hats off for that professionalism. So what do you want to say about it?
I actually, first thing I would like to say, I was not interested in this first of all. Then Riddle made me to come here, and then now I feel if I would have not come in and performed, then that would be a worst part of my life. Now I am very confident about myself and the postures, and I am very confident about my dead hands.
Yes. See, her hands have become so graceful now. She made her hands dead, and that's when they became graceful.
Yes.
So hands off for you.
Thank you so much.
Very nice work. Very nice work. Keep that good work up. Yeah. Always remember these small things.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Satish has left. Yes, you have.
No words for us.
We just be a little loud because I know
No
you've got
words for
nice
her.
things to say.
No words for her. She is just awesome. Awesome.
Thank you so much. I'm humble. I'm extremely humble. Thank you so much. Thank you. And you were awesome, by the way. You were awesome, you and your partner.
Thank you so
Killed
much.
it. Nailed
Sam.
it. Killed
That's
it.
Sam.
Killer completely.
so much.
Sam and Satish, oh my god. The crowd went berserk. Crazy.
It was really a pleasure working with Anu ma'am, and from normal employee now we feel as professionals. That's the thing she has trained us.
Professional catwalk models. Professional catwalk,
Yeah,
not just
really
employees.
professionals. Yeah, not just employees. From next time, we'll not make such kind of mistakes, and we'll be professionals only.
You know, the next time they have their Hyderabad day out next year, they'll be like, we are professional models. We have got our shit together. We know what to do. The posing, the attitude, the style, the turns, everything, the work on the ramp, they are looking absolutely refined and professional. All
so
that
much.
sass, all that attitude, all that sensuality, all that style, oh my god.
Sure. We'll definitely
Clap for yourself. You deserve
Thank
it.
you so much.
You deserve
Thank
it.
you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being patient with me.
I just have any words to tell about her. Only one thing I want to tell. She's the best choreographer whom I have seen till now. It was a great working with her.
Are you scared?
No way.
That's why you're saying it?
No.
Oh, he's not scared. This is not a paid promotion, guys. Let me repeat.
This is a core inner feeling of mine.
Inner feeling. दिल से आवाज आई है. दिल से आवाज आई है. ध्यान से सुनो हैदराबाद वालों. Lovely. Clap for yourself. Awesome attitude on the stage. I was watching you backstage. Lovely. You nailed it. Killer. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Last but not the least, the best is kept for the last. Mr. Salman.
Hi Hyderabad. I'm very unpunctual guy. I'm the most बहुत ज़्यादा गालियाँ खाता
बहुत डांट खाई है सलमान भाई ने. बहुत डांट खाई
But
है.
seriously, I have ever seen such kind of a choreographer. She is so dedicated, so active, so punctual, so talented. Everything, whatever you add, you can add. Whatever you have in your mind, you can add it. She is awesome. Cheers to her.
And when you get your video, I just want him to watch himself when the actual video comes out. You are looking nothing less than a professional model. A true professional walking in his Jodhpuris and in his traditional look. Awesome work. So I'm really proud of you. कभी-कभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डांटती थी इसको, and I used to feel very bad afterwards. After the rehearsals would get over. Oh my God, ज़्यादा हो गया क्या? Was I too much? Was I really hard on him? I used to start feeling bad, but now I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling so proud of him that all that hard work, all that scolding has finally paid off. So lovely
Thank you
work,
so
Salman.
much,
Really
Anukriti.
nice.
It was really,
I would like to clap for you.
Thank you.
Really nice.
I would like to clap for her. Cheers Hyderabad. See you. Bye.
Bye, Hyderabad. Love you all. Love you all.
Sharma along with the entire team of Thomson Reuters. We've just walked the ramp. Yes, the lovely lady in center. The fashion choreographer for this fashion show.